Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be solving the second pattern, that is the number pattern. So let's get started. So here is the pattern. So let me tell you the approach. Like first, as usual, we will be counting the number of rows. That is like this: first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So the total number of rows are 4. And yes, the number of columns, that is first column, second column, third column, number of columns will be 3. So means per column, sorry, per row it will be iterating 3 times, that is column 1, column 2, column 3, second row, column 1, column 2, column 3, third row, column 1, column 2, column 3, fourth row, column 1, column 2, column 3. So let me show the code. So the code here goes like, first we will be taking the variable row and column, and I and j are for iterating over row and j is for iterating over column. And we will carry a count variable, that is count will be initially 1, because if you can see in the question we have to print pattern, that is numbers, that is count will be 1, that is it will be printing all the ones. Then after iterating first iteration it will be incremented. Now the count will be 2, so it will print this all 2. Again after iteration it will be become 3. Again after iteration it will become 4, and this is how it will print. Let me run it. So the number of rows will be 4 and number of columns will be 3, right? Because as we have counted, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, rows 4, columns 3. So yeah, this is the required pattern we ever needed. Let me try run the code again. So initially the problem statement was 1, this was 2, third row was 3, fourth row was 4, right? So the control comes first. This is our output screen. First the control comes over the rows. First it will coming over the row, first row it will print all the, yeah. And after that count will be incremented, count plus plus means count initially was 1, now it will become 2. Now it will coming to second row, again 2 2 2, again it will coming to third row, that is 3 3 3, again it will be coming to the fourth row, that is 4 4 4. This is how we will be printing this number pattern, that is same as the first pattern. Only the difference is we will be maintaining a variable count equal to 1, and after first row iteration we will incrementing the count variable. After each row iteration we will be incrementing the row. After each row iteration we will be incrementing the count. Like that we will be proceeding. So if you are really liking my videos, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.